In the center of every large galaxy, a monster hides. It feeds on anything that drifts too close. Stars, gas, entire worlds. We call them supermassive black holes. And we have always called them destroyers. But a new discovery is forcing us to ask a terrifying, beautiful question. What if the universe's greatest monster is also its greatest mother? For decades, we told a simple story. Planets form in gentle nurseries, disks of gas and dust around young stars. Our own Earth was born that way, quietly, over millions of years. Black holes had no place in that story. They were the end, not the beginning. But the universe does not care for our simple stories. In 2024, a team of researchers looked at the heart of an active galaxy, not at the black hole itself, but at the edges of its chaos. There, in the cold outer ring called the torus, they found something impossible. The same temperatures, the same densities, the same conditions as a stellar nursery. A hidden planet nursery, wrapped around a monster. To understand how a black hole births planets, you must first understand the torus. It is a donut of gas and dust, millions of times larger than our entire solar system. And it spins, slowly, violently, with the gravity of 1 billion suns pulling from within. The team, led by Barry McKernan at CUNY, fed real data into a supercomputer. Temperature, gas composition, magnetic fields, dust density. They wanted to know one thing. Can dust survive long enough to clump? In a normal star disk, dust has millions of years. In the torus, dust is constantly bombarded by radiation from the inner black hole. But at the outer edges, far enough, the radiation weakens. And the dust does something extraordinary. It begins to stick. Centimeters become meters. Meters become kilometers. In the model, planetesimals form, the building blocks of worlds. But here, gravity is not gentle. The black hole's pull accelerates growth. Fast. Faster than anything we have ever seen. The McKernan team's model produced planets. Not just a few. Millions. Their paper contains a line that changes everything. Our approximate model suggests that AGN dust tori host the largest populations of planets in the universe. Largest in the universe. Not largest around stars. Largest anywhere. These are not small, rocky worlds like Mars. These are giants, born in chaos, fed by violence. The intense gravity of the AGN environment compresses material. Planets grow faster. Some become so massive they ignite. The paper calls it a core accretion channel for star formation. Planets becoming stars. Around a black hole. But here is where the story turns dark again. These newborn worlds do not live in peace. The torus is crowded. Millions of planets. High speeds. Relativistic effects. Collisions are not rare. They are inevitable. Some planets are thrown inward, toward the accretion disk, toward the event horizon, the point of no return. They are torn apart, atom by atom. Others are flung outward, ejected from the galaxy entirely. Rogue worlds, born of a black hole, wandering the darkness forever. So yes, black holes birth millions of planets, but they also orphan them, scatter them, eat them. The universe gives life with one hand and takes it with the other. Not all these planets are like the ones we know. The paper predicts something stranger. Exotic massive objects, made mostly of dust. Not rock, not gas, dust. No atmosphere, no geology, just compressed darkness. They would not reflect light well. We would never see them directly, but they might be everywhere, hiding in the shadows of every active galaxy. And if they exist, they outnumber stars. The majority of planets in the universe may orbit nothing at all. We have spent our entire existence looking for planets around stars. We assumed that was the only way, the only place. But nature is more creative than our assumptions. McKernan's work is still theoretical. It needs observation. But the James Webb Space Telescope is already looking. And if it finds these orphan giants, if it detects dust-borne worlds around black holes, then everything changes. Again, we are not the center of this story. Stars are not the center. Even destruction can create. The universe's greatest monster is also its greatest mother.